Hello everyone, 4,000 subscribers, such an honour to have you all on board with me, following my story and journey around the United Kingdom. Absolute privilege. Today I'm out on my half-broken boardman bike, if I don't fall off it, enjoying the nice Suffolk countryside. See, don't know how wide angle this lens is at the minute, I forgot to check the settings, but lovely wind turbine, nice view, lots of horses. Absolutely picturesque day today in Suffolk. It's a bit too hot for cycling, to be fair. I've been off the road a good 2 or 3 weeks. I haven't done much. I've done loads and loads of filming. There's about 13, 14, maybe even 15 videos coming out soon. I've been locked out of my Google account on my main PC, so I haven't actually been able to upload any videos. The last video I'd done, I labelled it stupid, something stupid like pro cyclist goes camping or something like that, you know, just one of them titles that you see on YouTube. I thought, oh, I'll just put a headline title type thing that you see in the newspaper. I thought, oh yeah, I'll put that. You know, it didn't work. I've lost about 50 subscribers from it, so I'm sorry about that, but now they're unsubscribed. I no longer have any ungrateful people on my channel, so to all you people still subscribe, thank you for appreciating me for who I am and the effort I put in to bring you new videos every week. So yeah, I'm enjoying the countryside. I've got loads of videos to come when I get back into my Google account. I'm still signed in on my phone, so I'll still answer your comments, but I'll just, well, how I'm going to upload this video and how I upload the crazy pro cyclist camping video the other day. I actually transferred it to my phone, and through my old Nokia phone, I actually transferred it to YouTube, and through YouTube on my phone I set it to public and then put that stupid title and not much of a description in it. It's got links and that, you know, but yeah, anyway, moving on. 4,000 subscribers, absolutely brilliant job, thank you so much. This bike's knackered, my Specialised bike's knackered, my Ridgeback needs a new hub, I reckon. Fingers crossed it doesn't, but you know, 5 years without service, it's going to take its toll on any hub. Even a roll-off hub needs servicing once every 30 years or something, you know. Not that far, but you know what I mean. Anyway, I'm going to don't know if you can see it, the big oak tree in the water tower in the background there. Absolutely beautiful, beautiful day, lovely and peaceful. Should we go and it's a bit random, I wouldn't normally do this, moving while in shot, but just take a look. Let's see if we can see any grasshoppers. Well, I didn't see any. Ooh. Right, as I'm nearly falling off this bike and the sun's glaring in all your eyes, I'll just say that my next video will be next week. It's going to be an absolute stonker. I've never made a sponsor me video before. You know, I've never really wanted to get out there. I want to appreciate, get people and companies to appreciate me for me, rather than doing these sponsorship videos. So what I've done is I've done my own personal sponsorship video, but it's not a sponsorship video per se. It's more along the lines of me just doing a tour, a race, a time trial, some bike packing and a review all in one video type thing. And I'd actually wouldn't mind starting to do that, say do 2 or 3 reviews a week along with my new series, because a quick 2 or 3 minute review only takes 2 or 3 hours to make, including editing, and it sounds a long time, but in filmmaking that's a really short time that you can do just whenever really. So yeah, I'll leave you on that angry person driving past, and I'm going this way. I'm going to get my rucksack, get the train to Ipswich, because I've been cheating. I've got real bad whiplash from my crash the other week. That's why this bike's knackered. My Specialised, there's bearings are shot, the group set's shot, and yeah, it's just getting a bit old. Frame's alright though, but it's not a disc brake bike, and I really need a disc brake bike for my bike packing, you know, so the rims don't wear down that much when you're carrying the weight. As I noticed on my Ridgeback Journey, which is a fully loaded touring bike, as you guys, my die-hard fans know, the rims aluminium or whatever they're made out of, and they've worn down quite a bit. Not too much to be dangerous, but just they've worn down a bit, just so it's nice and smooth. You know, it shouldn't be it shouldn't go. There's some crazy pheasants. What was I talking about? Yep, doesn't matter. Pheasants. Let's all. There's 3 pheasants having a scrap. You're not going to be able to see that. I won't even try. But 3 pheasants having a scrap, interrupting my broadcast. Yeah, I'll in the crash, my phone, my new Samsung S Galaxy 6 SYXi3, whatever phone it is. That dropped out of my pocket. My proper cycling shorts pocket. They're like backwards pockets, which is very handy. But actually, it's picking his nose. It's picking his nose, mate. Caught ya. Yeah, my Galaxy phone, that broke in the accident. It went psh, and it slid across the road in the crash along, and my bike followed it, type thing. And then, yeah, there's not much scarage left, which is good. There's a little bit on my leg, but I'm not going to be able to show that properly with the light where it is. And yeah, I'm now going to the woods, half a mile up the road, 10 miles down the road, and cheat and get the train because of my whiplash. And then yeah, get recording some reviews and some more videos for you guys for in about a month and a half. You'll see them probably, because I have a catalogue now since I've not uploaded any in the last few weeks. I've got a big old catalogue of 15 or so videos. So yeah, till next time, ride safe, and I hope you find peace. Right, let's get home, try and transfer this video. Oh, wrong gear. Try and transfer this video onto my phone. Lovely day though. Hope you guys enjoyed it.